butterfly diagram, right? We have discussed about the butterfly diagram and derivation of the FFT. Still something is is remaining to discuss with you, and that is arrangement of the power of the Tweedle factors when we will be or we are disseminating into G of k and H of k and B of k and Q of k and C of k and P of k and etc. So before we proceed, let us try to recall the equations, because equations are the base to draw the butterfly diagram, or equations also required to verify the derivations. Equations are also required to calculate the numerical. So as equations of different stages are the base, so we need to remember the equations, we need to understand the symmetry of the equation, so that without derivation we should be able to write down the equations for greater values of greater length of the sequence. Like instead of n equal to 8, if I ask you to calculate the numerical for sequence having n equal to 32, you should be able to write down the equations of all the stages involved, right? So for that we are going to revise the equations, we are going to recall the equations, right? So for given n, you can find out the numbers of stages with the equation 2 raised to p equal to n. So p are the numbers of stages, and you know
Your
that
screen
for
is not showing.
oh, where is it? અરે શું કરું છું? Yes, yes, now can you see the screen? You must be.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this is equation by which you can find out the numbers of stages. P are the numbers of stages involved, and you know you need to derive for p minus 1 times. Okay, p minus 1 times derivations are required, decimations are required. Okay, so I am going to list down the equations for capital N equal to 8, and you need to help me for the same. So for stage number 1, if you can recall, the equations are like x of k equal to g of k plus wn raised to k into h of k, right? Just try to recall the equations, right?
Yes,
For
sir.
g of k and h of k. Here someone is waiting for my reply, so give me 30 seconds for the same. Hello, I'm back. So let me now write down the equations. What about g of k? Can anybody recall it? G of k equal to બોલો શું આવશે? Summation small n equal to 0
G
to
of K.
n by 2
Okay.
minus 1 x of 2n, because g of k picks up the even numbers of samples, right? W
N by
n,
2 raised to 2n.
yes, n by 2 raised to nk, or simply wn raised to 2nk. Both are valid. Similarly, writing for h of k, we do have h of k equal to summation n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of 2n
2n
plus
plus 1.
1, because it belongs to the odd samples, wn by 2 raised to nk, similarly to the g of k. So this equation can give you the diagram for butterfly diagram for stage number 1. And you know that there are totally n by 2 numbers of complex multiplications, and similarly n numbers of complex additions are required to perform this stage. Now what about stage number 2? If I write down the equation For stage 2, it is like g of k equal to p of k.
P of k plus Wn
Yes,
by 2 raised to
yes,
k
be
q of
careful
k.
about this suffix over here. In first stage it is wn raised to k, in second it is wn by 2 raised to k, and now we need to write down the equation for p of k and q of k. This is not h, this is q of k, right? P of k and q of k. Still we need equation for h of k, right, to define, to completely define this stage. But before that, let me write down the equation for p of k and h of k. So summation goes from n equal to 0 to n by 4 minus 1. You need to help me to write down the equation. Bolo su house x of, where should I write down 4n, and where should I write down 4n plus 1?
4n in pk, p of k.
4n in p of k, 4n, okay. W n by
4
4
raised to kn.
raised to nk. What about qk? 4n plus,
4n plus 2.
yes, 2. Why 2? Why not 1? Because both of this p of k and q of k are
Even.
defining g of k, and you know that in g of k you do have even numbers of samples only. So if you put plus 1 here, then it will be like x of 1 for n equal to 0, then x of 3 for n equal to 1. And you know that we don't have such samples in series of g of k. That's why please remember these and don't write plus 1 over here in equation of q of k, right? So yes, equation of q of k is like this only, n by 4 raised to nk. Now let us write down the next equation for h of k is equal to b of k plus wn by 2 raised to k, similarly to this, into c of k, and we also need to write down the equation for b of k and c of k, where b of k is equal to summation n equal to 0 to n by 4 minus 1. Similar range for c of k, correct? X of, help me out, bolo su house 1357,
4n plus 1.
1357, and we need to pick 1 and 5 in b of k. So x of
4n plus
4n
1.
plus 1 and x of,
4n plus 3.
4n plus 3.
yes, 4n plus 3 into w of n by 4 raised to nk. If you write down like this in rough, right, it will be easy for you to recall the equations, the correct equation I should say, wn by 4 raised to nk, okay. And the last stage needs these equations only, right? With this set of equations you will be able to draw the butterfly diagram for last stage. You know how to do it, right? So remembering this equation, or remembering the style of the equation, or understanding the symmetry of the equation, you should be able to write it down for more numbers of stages when n is greater than 8. And you should also be able to write down the equation when n is less than 8. Of course, it will be 2 raised to the power only, right? And now it's time to understand how to draw the diagram for inverse fast Fourier transform, right? I'll be talking about the proof that here we need x of 4n plus 1 and 4n plus 3, right? Later on I have written it and have uploaded the snap in the Teams. You may find it out later on, and we'll be talking about this particular at the end of the lecture or in the next lecture. Let me finish the topic I have in my mind right now, and that's the butterfly diagram or derivation for the DIT IFFT, decimation in time inverse fast Fourier transform. ઓકે, પેલાનો સ્નેપ લીધેલો હતો? ચાલો કંઈ નહીં, વિડીયો પાછો જુઓ તારે એ વખત એનો સ્નેપ લઈ લેજો. બધા ઇક્વેશન્સ તમને એક સામટા જોવા મળી જશે એટલા માટે. ઓકે, સો યુ નો ઇન ઇન્વર્સ ફાસ્ટ ફોરિયર ટ્રાન્સફોર્મ I should have x of k as input and I should get x of n as output, right? You know that x of k is equal to g of k wn raised to k into h of k. For capital N equal to 8, if I write down the equation, it will be like capital X of 0 equal to g of 0 plus w 8 raised to 0 h of 0 Similarly, writing for x of 1, it is g of 1 plus w 8 raised to 1 h of 1. X of 2 is equal to g of 2 plus w 8 raised to 2 h of 2. X of 3, capital of course, equal to g of 3 plus w 8 raised to 3 h of 3. Then x of 4 equal to g of 4 plus w 8 raised to 4 h of 4. It is already proven to you that g of 4 is equal to
G of 0.
yes, it is g of 0. It is also proven to you that w8 raised to 4 is equal to minus w8 raised to 0. So instead of w8 raised to 4, I can write it down as w8 raised to minus w8 raised to 0 into h of 4 is equal to h of 0. Similarly, writing for x of 5, I have g of 1 minus w8 raised to 1 h of 1 x of 6 equal to g of 2 minus w8 raised to 2 into h of 2 and x of 7 equal to g of 3 minus w8 raised to 3 h of 3. Now see or observe this set of equations very carefully and tell me if I want to find out capital X of 0, right? If I want to find out, sorry, not capital X of 0, if I want to find out g of 0 and h of 0, I want to find out g of 0 and h of 0. Can I find it out using this set of equations? How to arrange the equations for the same? Just apply your
Capital X of 0 and capital X of 4 together.
yes, that's why I have noted those equations in different current. Okay, can you help me out further? Means how to find out the equation for the same? You are very correct. Now tell me something by using which I can derive the equation for w of 0 and sorry g of 0 and h of 0.
Elimination method.
Elimination method, very correct. X of 0 equal to g of 0 plus w8 raised to 0 h of 0 and x of 4 equal to g of 0 minus w8 raised to 0 h of 0. Eliminating the term, this will get cancelled, so x of 0 plus capital X of 4 is equal to how much? 2 times g0. So equation of g of 0 is equal to capital X of 0 plus capital X of 4 divided by 2. And similarly, finding for h of 0, can you tell me the equation directly?
X of 0 plus X of 4.
No plus, it should be minus.
Minus X
Minus.
of 4
Right?
divided by 2 W8 raised to 0.
Yes, very correct. It is 2 times W8 raised to 0. Be careful. Here we don't need Twiddle factor. Here we need Twiddle factor. So this way you can find out for all G's and K's. G of 1, H of 1, G of 2, H of 2, G of 3, H of 3, etc. So can I draw the stage of my DIT IFFT butterfly diagram when I do have inputs X of K and I get output G of K and H of K? Can I do this? Say yes or no. How to do it? Let us try to draw the butterfly diagram for the same. બોલો શું કરું? શું કરું બોલો? Inputs are to be bit reversed, right? So let me write it down as capital X of 0, then capital X of 4, 0, 4, 2, 6, 1, 5, 3, 7. 1, 5, 3, 7. What is the equation of G of 0?
X0 plus X4 by 2.
Yes. So now I need to add this X of 4 and need to apply 0.5 as gain. Correct? So 0.5 over here will give you G of 0. Similarly, H of 0 equal to X of 0 minus X of 4 divided by 2 W8 raised to 0 equal to 0.5 W8 raised to minus 0, that is 0, into X of 0 minus X of 4. Do you agree with this equation? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what to do to arrange this term X of 0 minus X of 4? What should I do in the diagram? What should I do in the
Minus
diagram?
sign minus 1 multiplied by X of 4 and ऊपर से नीचे आते.
But where to put minus 1?
After we have taken this to X of 0.
Between X of 4 and G of 1, of course, somewhere over here, minus 1. And then I need to add this. So this becomes X of 0 minus X of 4, right? Of course, I need a gain of 0.5 into my W8 raised to minus 0. So this will give me G of 1. Similarly, let us draw the diagram for other terms. Oh, have I started the recording?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So similar to this X of 0 and X of 4, G of 0, G of 1 relation, I need to put minus 1 here, minus 1 here, minus 1 here. Can you directly tell me the gain I require here?
0.5.
Then
0.5
W8 raised to 2.
to 1.
રેસ ટુ જો કોઈ બે કહે છે કોઈ એક કહે છે શું આવશે
1.
2.
1 2 જો કેટલા અલગ અલગ આન્સર આવે છે શું આવશે બોલો
2.
2
સર 2 આવશે.
નો all answers are wrong it should be -1 w8 raised to -1 let me show you अभी आगे के इक्वेशन तो नहीं है
न्यूमरेटर में लिया इसलिए
pointer जतो रहे सारी okay what is the equation of x of 1 x of 1 equal to this is not g1 huh? this is g4 right this is g4 g0 नहीं g4 नहीं g1 જ આવશે ને આ શું આવશે આમે શું કર્યું what are the outputs બોલો આઉટપુટ શું આવશે
સર G0 પછી H0 હશે ને?
g0 के बाद h0 आएगा this is h0 similarly this is g1 and h1 बराबर बोलो क्या आएगा आउटपुट
સર એ G1 નહીં હોય G2 હશે ને કેમ કે X2 અને X6 થી આપણને G2 મળે.
x6 અને
X of 2 થી આપણને G2 મળશે
2
ને?
and H6 है ना तो G2 H2 मिलेंगे ना
देखो हमने क्या किया था इन दोनों को कंबाइन किया था 0 और 4 को अभी किसको कंबाइन करेंगे 1 और 5 को करेंगे बराबर 1 और 5 को करने की वजह से हमको क्या मिलेगा
સર બટ આપણે અત્યારે તો X2 અને X6 થી ડ્રો કરીએ છીએ ને તો એનું તો G2 અને H2 આવે ને.
यस यस यस
હા એની નીચે G1 H1.
let us write them first बोलो क्या आएगा हमको क्या चाहिए 1 और 5 1 और 5 इसके अंदर
G1
कौन से
H1
आएंगे
आएंगे G1
यस
and H1
G1 plus 8 raised to 1 यहाँ पे क्या गिनाएगा 1 5 में
0.5 W8 raised to -1
yes so over here it should be 2
-2
बराबर है आपकी बात बराबर थी बराबर -2 so this is my क्या आएगा g of 1 this one is my h of 1 similarly this is my 2 and 6 together will give you g of 2 h of 2 similarly g of 3 h of 3 0.5 and 0.5 w8 raised to -3 करेक्ट बराबर है डायग्राम बराबर है कि नहीं
સર સર આ 0.5 into W8 raised to -2 જ આવે ને? અરે મને -2 ની જગ્યાએ +2 ના આવે?
+2 કેમ નહીં આવે કારણ કે નીચે છે w8 raised to 2
न्यूमरेटर में ले जाओ
huh? If you find out the equation for h of 1 it will be h of 1 equal to x of 1 minus x of 5 बराबर divided by 2 w8 raised to 1 do you agree with this equation Dharav?
Yes, sir.
So this becomes 1 over 2 is 0.5 W8 raised to minus 1.
Okay, okay, okay. हम जाएंगे.
बराबर है ना? Very simple. Okay, now so everybody please take snap of this particular. This figure is useful for us, but still we need to change this figure. This is just to give you the exercise that how to draw the signal flow graph using the equations, right? But it's not easy to remember like this. 0 first, then 2, then raised to power 1, then raised to power 3. Why to have such arrangement? Instead of can we arrange like g of 0, then g of 1, g of 2, g of 3 together, and h of 0, h of 1, h of 2, h of 3 together? Then it will be a better idea, I think, right? हाँ के ना?
फिर बटरफ्लाई नहीं बनेगी ना? फिर बटरफ्लाई नहीं बनेगी ना?
देखते हैं, ऐसा कुछ बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज वी आर राइट नाउ डूइंग द इन्वेंशन, वी आर फाइंडिंग द वे. सो बटरफ्लाई बनेगा कि नहीं वो देखने की बात है. पहले ये स्नैप ले लिया, हाँ या ना?
यस सर, ले लिया.
चलो अभी इसके ऊपर से दूसरा डायग्राम बनाते हैं. लेट मी अरेंज इट इन दी नॉर्मल पैटर्न इंस्टेड ऑफ बीट रिवर्स पैटर्न, राइट? x of 0, then x of 1, x of 2, चलो देखते हैं क्या होता है. ये एक ये मेरा है x ऑफ 0 के ऊपर से मुझे क्या मिलता है? g0 मिलता है. x ऑफ 0 प्लस x ऑफ 4, 0 ले लूंगा और ये 4 ले लूंगा, तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? क्या मिलेगा बोलो?
G of 0.
0 and h0.
Similarly, to find out, of course I need 0.5 here, right? To find out g of 1, I need to add
X of 1 and X of 5.
yes, x of 1 and x of 5. So can I do the same like this? बराबर है? Again I need to put 0.5 here. बराबर है डायग्राम?
हाँ सर.
इसी तरह से मैं g of 2 भी ढूंढ सकता हूँ. बराबर, आप जानते हो क्या आएगा. So both diagram are equivalent. So which one is better?
Second.
Yes, of course, second one is better. तो इसमें भी बटरफ्लाई बन रहा है, बराबर. एटलीस्ट अभी तो लग रहा है कि बन रहा है. आगे पूरा कंप्लीट डायग्राम ड्रॉ करने के बाद ज्यादा पता चलेगा. चलो बोलो क्या लिखूं यहाँ पे? h ऑफ 0 में क्या आएगा बोलो? x ऑफ 0 माइनस x ऑफ 4. सो I need to put -1 here, right? And then I need to add x of 0. And then it is to be multiplied by how much?
0.5 W8 raised to 0.
Yes, 0.5 W8 raised to 0. Similarly, drawing the other terms, other signals, I can put like this. Let me now put -1s. So -1 over here, -1 over here. Just verify the new diagram with the older one. Are both of them giving the same result or not? 0.5 W8 raised to क्या आएगा बोलो?
-1.
-1.
Yes,
-1.
-1 to -2. 0.5 W8 raised to minus 3, and this one is h of 1, this one is h of 2, this one is h of 3. So from the equations we can draw either this diagram or this diagram, or from equation we can draw this diagram, and from this diagram we can develop this diagram. Ultimately we are going to follow this diagram. Okay, again take the snap. Let me remove the arrows and take the snap. Let me name the diagram. First stage DIT IFFT for n equal to 8, and this one is preferred, and this one is intermediate, right? This is not a final, or this is not to be picked up. Don't pick up for final diagram. ये आपको लेना है. Take a snap now. ले लिया snap, ले लिया.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now similarly deriving for the next stage. Can you help me out? बोलो आगे का स्टेज कैसे डिराइव करूंगा, क्या लिखूं पहले, हेल्प करो बोलो.
G of k is equal to P of k plus Wn by 2 raised to k Q of k.
Yes, G of k equal to P of k plus by 2 raised to k into Q of k, and similarly so putting them together we have G of 0 equal to P of 0 plus W4 raised to 0, right? Q of 0, and similarly G of 1, G of 2, G of 3, G of 4. So G of 0 should be added with G of 2. G of 2 is equal to P of 0 minus W4 raised to 0. Can you recall it? बराबर है ये, हाँ या ना?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
2 times G of, sorry, not 2 times, G of 0 plus G of 4 is equal to 2 times P of 0, and similarly G of 0 minus G of 4 equal to 2 times W4 raised to 0 into Q of 0. From these equations we have P of 0 equal to G of 0 plus G of 4 into 0.5, and similarly Q of 0 is equal to G of 0 minus G of 4 into 0.5 into W4 raised to minus 0, that is W4 raised to 0. Can we write down the other equations similarly? Yes, of course. P of 1 equal to, and P of 2, Q of 1 equals to, help me out, बोलो क्या लिखेंगे?
G of 1 plus G of
1 plus
G of 3
G of 3.
divide by
I am believing you, I am not cross checking it. बोलो क्या आएगा? G of 1 minus G of 3 0.5 into W4 raised to minus 1 बराबर। चलो अभी क्रॉस चेक करते हैं। G of 0 के बाद में क्या आएगा? G of 1 बराबर, और उसके इसके बाद क्या आएगा? G of 3 आएगा। तो ये सही है, ये दोनों भी सही इक्वेशन है। तो इसी तरह से हमको और क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? P0 P1 Q0 Q1 B0 B1 एंड C0 C1 बराबर। तो यहाँ पे हमारे जो आउटपुट्स है, अरे नहीं देते, बोलो स्टेज ट्रू मुझे ड्रॉ करना है, तो आउटपुट क्या है और इनपुट क्या है? बोलो आउटपुट क्या आएंगे मेरे? स्टेज टू पहले के आउटपुट में क्या था? एक्स ऑफ के इनपुट था और जी एन के आउटपुट था। तो जी ऑफ 0, जी ऑफ 1, जी ऑफ 2, जी ऑफ 3 आर दी आउटपुट्स ऑफ स्टेज 1। जी नहीं, एच ऑफ 0, एच ऑफ 1, एच ऑफ 2, एच ऑफ 3 आर दी आउटपुट ऑफ स्टेज 1। दिस इज स्टेज 1 बराबर। तो स्टेज 2 के अंदर यही आउटपुट जो है वो इनपुट के काम करेंगे, और आउटपुट क्या मिलेगा आपको? बोलो आउटपुट क्या मिलेगा?
आउटपुट P0 P1 Q0 Q1।
चलो ड्रॉ करने की कोशिश करते हैं, क्या आएगा? इक्वेशन क्या है बोलो, क्या है इक्वेशन? देखो इक्वेशन देखो, P0 इक्वल्स टू G of 0 plus G of 4,
G of 0
right?
plus
This one,
G of 2.
this one. सब लोग इक्वेशन देख पा रहे हैं, हाँ या ना? सुन रहे हो या एब्सेंट हो गए हो? आर यू प्रेजेंट विथ योर माइंड?
यस सर।
एवरीबॉडी?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So now G of 0 plus G of 4. Where is G of 4? G of 4 is what?
G of 2 है।
हाँ,
G of 0 plus G of 2.
G of 2 लिखा गलत है या क्या क्या हुआ है? ऐसा क्यों हुआ? बोलो G of 2, लेकिन हमने ये गलती कहाँ पे की? G of 0 प्लस,
सर पर सही है, नीचे गलत जगह
या नीचे, हाँ G of 0 plus G of 2 है, उसके ऊपर इक्वेशंस में G of 2 लिखा हुआ है।
कहाँ पे लिखा है? ये तो 0 और 4 है।
नहीं, ऊपर इसके
उसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है।
अच्छा ये 2 है ना अल्टीमेटली?
हाँ सर।
हाँ सर।
सो लेट अस कंसीडर इट एज 2। अगर ये 4 होता तो फिर उसको वापस माइनस साइन करनी पड़ती है। तो ये मैं मानता हूँ कि आपकी बात सही है और यहाँ पे 2 है। तो G of 0 प्लस G of 2, राइट? G of 0 plus G of 2, where is G of 2? This one, into 0.5 gives me P of 0. Similarly G of 1, this one, right? G of 1 and G of 3 together gives me P of 1. Similarly drawing, I need to take G of 0 and G of 2, right? And in between there should be a minus 1, and then I need to multiply it with 0.5 W4 raised to 0. Similarly drawing for the next signal, I need to put minus 1 here and 0.5. बोलो आगे क्या आएगा? W4 raised to
-1.
minus 1. So can you draw the further stages of DIT IFFT diagram? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then भाई किसी को है जो यानी समझ में ना आया हो और खुद से ड्रॉ नहीं कर पाएगा, ये बुक से अलग तरीके से मैंने ड्रॉ करवाया है, बुक से अलग है, तो डाउट है तो अभी पूछ लो। किसी को है डाउट? देयर आर टोटली 23 attendees. Anybody have any doubt?
No, sir.
I am going to report this to head of the department, right? That total attendees are generally very less. From the first week of the new semester, only few of the students, means half of the students are joining the meeting. It's really bad. Only 23 attendings. तो अभी ये इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स सब्जेक्ट है, इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स यानी ये सब डेरिवेशंस और सिग्नल फ्लो ग्राफ है, खुद से करेंगे क्या? और फिर बोलेंगे कि यानी डाउट सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा है, कि कैसे डाउट सॉल्व होगा? Really bad. Okay, let me believe that you will be able to do this. So now let us solve one numerical. Okay, or let me show you the previous proof, right? Because we do have only 10 or 15 minutes with us, right? So you know that g of k plus wn raised to k into h of k is equal to x of k. So in g of k, I need to adjust the Tweedle factor wn raised to something, right, which will give me the same Tweedle factor with the x of k, right? But if you want to do it for stage number 2, you should check p of k and q of k and b of k and c of k with g of k and h of k. Do you agree with me? दोनों को यानी कंपेयर करना है, तो मैं x of k और h of k के ये फैक्टर्स डिसाइड करने के लिए उसको मैं किसके साथ यानी मैच करूंगा? जैसे कि मुझे यहाँ पे n इक्वल टू 0 से ये मेरा लिमिट कहाँ तक है, n/2 - 1, तो n इक्वल टू 1 रखूंगा तो आई एम एक्चुअली पिकिंग अप x of 2, तो x of 2 इंटू w of 4 raised to how much? nk, right?
n में रखा है ना तो k.
हाँ, k ओनली. ये क्या है? x of 2 n है और n हमने 1 लिया है, तो k ओनली, right? This should match with how much? x of 2 into e raised to minus j 2 pi k n by n, that is x of 2 into e raised to minus j 2 pi into how much? x of 2 के साथ ये k तो k ही रहेगा और n हमारा कितना है? 2 है, 8 n कैपिटल N कितना है? 8 है. So this should be equal to, this term should be
स्मॉल
equal
n 1
to
था हमारा.
स्मॉल n 1 नहीं, स्मॉल n 2 है. ये ओरिजिनल इक्वेशन की बात कर रहा हूँ. ये मैंने कहाँ से लिखा? ये मैंने कहाँ से लिखा? दिस इज इन g of k फ्रॉम इक्वेशन ऑफ g of k, and this is from इक्वेशन ऑफ यानी ओरिजिनल इक्वेशन ऑफ DFT, राइट? इक्वेशन ऑफ x of k. तो ओरिजिनल इक्वेशन x of k के अंदर आप क्या रखोगे तो x of 2 मिलेगा आपको. ओरिजिनल इक्वेशन के अंदर आप क्या रखोगे? बोलो.
इक्वल टू 2.
हाँ, n इक्वल टू 2 रखोगे तो यहाँ n इक्वल टू मैं 2 रखूंगा तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? x of 2 e raised to minus j 2 pi k into 2 by 8. So x of 2 into e raised to how much? Minus j pi k by 2. अगर ये दोनों वैल्यू मैच होती है, कौन कौन सी? ये दोनों, तो ही ये आपका जो आपने यहाँ पे लिखा है वो सही है, इसके बगैर नहीं। तो W of 4 raised to K, W of 4 raised to K should be equal to e raised to minus j pi k by 2। आर यू फॉलोइंग? ये दोनों क्यों इक्वल होने चाहिए, पता चला आपको, हाँ या ना?
यस सर।
तो अभी देखते हैं कि ये होता है कि नहीं। W4 की कैसे लिखेंगे? ई रेस टू माइनस जे 2 पाई बाई एन, सो 2 पाई बाई 4 रेस टू के, राइट? सो दिस इज इक्वल टू ई रेस टू माइनस जे पाई के बाई 2। इज इट मैचिंग विद दिस? यस और नो? मैच हो रहा है ना? हाँ या ना?
यस
यस
सर।
Yes, sir.
तो इसी तरह से अभी हमको जी ऑफ के का जो ये ट्विडल फैक्टर है जी ऑफ के इक्वेशन के अंदर, बराबर, ये हमने चेक किया। तो पी ऑफ के का ट्विडल फैक्टर सही है कि नहीं वो हमको डिसाइड करना है। एच ऑफ के का ट्विडल फैक्टर सही है कि नहीं वो हमको डिसाइड करना है। चलो एच ऑफ के का करते हैं, क्योंकि हमने वही छोड़ दिया था, बराबर। ये मैंने खाली प्रोसीजर रिकॉल करवाने के लिए लिखा। एक साइड पे आप लोग कौन सा, फ्रॉम द इक्वेशन यू वांट टू टेस्ट, एंड एक साइड पे क्या लो जिसके साथ आपको कंपेयर करना चाहिए, जिस सीरीज के साथ आपको कंपेयर करना चाहिए वो लो। चलो, तो इसी तरह से मैंने जो आपको यानी एक स्नैप अपलोड किया है उसके अंदर मैंने एच ऑफ के का इक्वेशन और उसका ट्विडल फैक्टर प्रूव किया है। ये कुछ इस तरह से है, एच ऑफ के इक्वल टू समेसन एन इक्वल टू 0 टू हाउ मच, n बाई 2 माइनस 1 x ऑफ 2n प्लस 1 इंटू w n बाई 2 रेस टू के एन, बराबर, इक्वल टू b ऑफ k प्लस w n बाई 2 रेस टू k इंटू h ऑफ इंटू c ऑफ k इंटू c ऑफ k, बराबर। तो अभी यहाँ पे देखो b ऑफ k क्या है, b ऑफ k इज इक्वल टू समेसन, बोलो क्या आएगा, n इक्वल टू 0 टू
N by 4 minus
4
1.
माइनस 1 x ऑफ 4n
4n plus 1.
4n या 4n प्लस 1,
सर 4n
yes
प्लस
yes 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 it is 4n plus 1, 4n plus 1 into wn by 4 raised to kn। और इसी तरह से c ऑफ k क्या आएगा, c ऑफ k इक्वल्स टू समेसन n इक्वल टू 0 टू n by 4 minus 1 x ऑफ हाउ मच,
4n plus
4n
3.
प्लस 3
4n plus 3 into wn by 4 raised to kn। अच्छा चलो, अभी h ऑफ k जो है, h ऑफ k उसके ओरिजिनल इक्वेशन में यानी ये इक्वेशन के अंदर कौन कौन से x आ रहे हैं, x ऑफ n इक्वल टू 0 रखूंगा तब 1, x ऑफ 1
1 and 3.
3 5
5, 7.
7, और इसी तरह से 1 और 3 किस में जा रहा है, दे आर गोइंग टू b ऑफ k, एंड 3 and 7
C
आर
of
गोइंग टू c ऑफ k, बराबर है। तो 1 के साथ, x ऑफ 1 के साथ और 5 के साथ क्या आना चाहिए, ये हम लिखेंगे। x ऑफ 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में क्या आना चाहिए, x ऑफ 5 के साथ क्या आना चाहिए। x ऑफ 1 के साथ ये इक्वेशन के हिसाब से बोलो, h ऑफ k के हिसाब से अगर x ऑफ 1 मुझे ढूंढना है तो n इक्वल टू मुझे 0 रखना पड़ेगा। तो इसके साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्टर क्या आना चाहिए, w ऑफ n बाई 2 रेस टू 0, और x ऑफ 5 के साथ क्या आना चाहिए, x ऑफ 5 कब मिलेगा मुझे, ये इक्वेशन के अंदर x ऑफ 5 कब आएगा, जब n कितना होगा तब, जब n कब, n 1 होगा तब, n 2 होगा तब, n 2 होगा तब मैं x ऑफ 5 पिक कर पाऊंगा ना, हाँ या ना? हेलो,
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
If I put n equal to 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So I will be able to pick up x of 5. So x of 5 into w of n by 2 raised to how much? Raised to how much?
Okay.
N is how much? 2. So 2k.
2.
Right? So this is equal to x of 1 into w, capital N is 8, so w4 raised to 0, and this is equal to x of 5 into w4 raised to how much? 2k. Okay? This we are going to compare. This is from equation of h of k. Now we need to think about b of k and c of k. बराबर, ये बी ऑफ के और सी ऑफ के पे से आया है, तो बी ऑफ के अंदर से मैं इन दोनों में से क्या पिक कर पाऊंगा? 1 और 5 कर पाऊंगा, सी ऑफ के में से नहीं कर पाऊंगा. बराबर, 1 और 5 में किस में पिकअप कर पाऊंगा? बी ऑफ के अंदर ही कर पाऊंगा ना, हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
तो आई शुड कंपेयर दीज टू थिंग्स विथ बी ऑफ के, नॉट विथ सी ऑफ के. डू यू एग्री विथ मी?
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
बराबर, सी ऑफ के लिए मुझे इसी तरह से 1 और 5 की जगह 3 और 7 लेके कंपेयर करना पड़ेगा. तो पहले बी ऑफ के से हम कंपेयर करते हैं. तो बी ऑफ के अंदर मुझे एक्स ऑफ 1 चाहिए, एक्स ऑफ 1 चाहिए, तो मुझे एन इक्वल टू कितना रखना पड़ेगा? एक्स ऑफ 1 चाहिए तो एन इक्वल टू कितना रखना पड़ेगा?
0.
0. So x of 1 into w n by 4 is how much? 2.
2.
W2 raised to how much? Yes, W2 raised to 0. Can I write it down as x of 1 into W4 raised to 0? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Because W2 raised to 0 is equal to W4 raised to 0, equal to W8 raised to 0, equal to W any n raised to 0, because all W raised to 0 are equal to 1. So it is possible to write W4 raised to 0 instead of W2 raised to 0. Now think about this phi. How to get phi in this equation?
N
It can
equal
be
to 1.
availed with n equal to 1. So using n equal to 1, I have x of phi into w raised to w2 raised to how much? W2 raised to how much?
K.
Yes, k only, right? So can I write it down as x of phi into w4 raised to 2k? यहाँ 2 है तो यहाँ अगर 2 है, ये दोनों सेम हो गए या नहीं हो गए? W4 तो ऊपर भी मुझे 2 मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ 2 मल्टीप्लाई करता हूँ तो यहाँ भी 2 मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. ये आपको पता है ना कि अगर ये मैं इस तरह से लिखूं W4 बराबर रेस टू के, W4 रेस टू 2k, तो मैं इसको किस तरह से लिख सकता हूँ? W8 रेस टू
4K.
नहीं, W8 नहीं, W2 रेस टू k लिख सकता हूँ ना. हाँ, किस तरह से? e रेस टू माइनस जे 2 पाई बाई n, n इज 4 रेस टू 2k. तो ये 2k कहाँ जाएगा? ये 2 नीचे जाएगा, तो 4 बाई 2 इज हाउ मच? 2. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू e रेस टू माइनस जे 2 पाई बाई 2 रेस टू k equal to W2 raised to k. Can I write it down like this? हाँ या ना?
यस.
तो ये 2 का डबल करूंगा तो 4, k का डबल करूंगा तो 2k. इसी तरह से ये 2 का डबल करूंगा तो 4, k का डबल करूंगा तो 2k. तो is it valid to write down W2 raised to k equal to W4 raised to 2k?
Yes, sir.
So it means that both things are matching. This is from equation of b of k, बराबर. तो ये सेटिस्फाई करता है. इसी तरह से c of k का इक्वेशन भी सेटिस्फाई करेगा. तो मतलब क्या हुआ कि हमने जो ये ट्विडल फैक्टर लिखे हैं यहाँ पे वो सही है. डू यू एग्री विथ मी? से यस और नो.
Yes, sir.
यस.
So that's what I have demonstrated here, and this is also available in the snap uploaded. Where is the snap? This one. Where can you find it out? You can find it out in files. Go to the files, then derivations. Sorry, not derivations. कहाँ पे अपलोड किया है मैंने? शायद क्लास मटेरियल में होगा.
हाँ सर, क्लास मटेरियल.
Yes, it is in class material, derivation 2, right? But it's better to take it somewhere else in the derivations. So you may move it. Dharav, will you do it for me? Just upload this
Yes, sir.
derivations, right? Instead of
Okay,
class
sir.
material. Okay, now one another thing for you, that I have uploaded the videos, the video recordings of all the lectures right from the lecture number 3 in this particular folder, right? Into the files you need to go to the class video. Inside class video you will find new folder. So in new folder I have uploaded all the lectures. There are totally I think 18 numbers of video files I have uploaded into it, and 2 out of them, that is 1 underscore mv4 and 2 1 underscore mv4 are the recorded videos. These are not part of our lectures, right? So this is done right now, but don't expect it in the future. It's your responsibility to download all the lectures. मुझे लगेगा कि मुझे अपलोड करना है तो करूँगा, नहीं करना होगा तो नहीं करूँगा. ये मेरी मर्जी की बात है, बराबर है. तो अभी तो है तो डाउनलोड कर लो, आगे जाके मैं या कोई इसको डिलीट कर देगा तो उसके लिए मैं रिस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं हूँ. आर यू फॉलोइंग? समझ में आ रहा है क्या बोल रहा हूँ, हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So similarly, it's also your duty to check the uploaded material each time. I am not going to inform you that I have uploaded something, right? So you need to occasionally go to these materials, these files, and find out the things over there. So with this, let me finish the lecture. In next lecture, we will be doing numerical based on this, right? At least I will be doing one stage, and then we will switch to the next algorithm called DIF, decimation in frequency algorithm. We will be deriving the equations, we will be drawing the butterfly diagram, and then we will be doing it also for DIF IFFT, means DIF, decimation in frequency inverse fast Fourier transform. And you know how to derive the equations of inverse fast Fourier transform from the butterfly equations of the fast Fourier transform. Just in this lecture only we have seen the methodology, right? So with this, let me take your attendance. Let me take your attendance.